Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. I hope you're all doing well. It has been quite a while since I've recorded again, so I'm going to try and space out the recordings and make them, pretty frequent. I have recorded a few vlogs and I still haven't uploaded them, so I'm trying to do that so that there's no gaps between, really. So, I'm a bit rusty. Anyway, I am back on the bike again. Since the last vlog I was talking about how the bike is not doing great. So the bike has a fuel filter failure error message showing up for me. So I took it to get it fixed, or checked at least. I took it to get it checked and they pretty much said, it's okay to drive at the minute, but you need to get it fixed. So I need to order the parts, which are expensive, of course. Yeah, so I'm trying to work out where to order the parts from. I've been checking everywhere online and things like that. It's around €600 for the part that I need, which is, that's crazy. And then obviously the labour as well for them to actually fix it is going to cost more. So it's not going great for me at the minute. I'm only really riding the bike in times that it's fully necessary, where I really need to, which today is one of those days. So I haven't actually ridden the bike since the day I took it to get it checked, and that was the last vlog. If I upload that, I'm not actually sure. I haven't checked it yet to see if it sounds alright. I'm hoping it does, or else you've no clue what I'm talking about. So the final parts of what I need for the painting videos and things arrived today, which means that I will be doing another one of those videos hopefully very soon. It might actually be out before this one. If it is, then you can go watch that. I'll put the link in the description if it is out. If not, then just keep an eye out for it if you're interested in that sort of stuff. I do want to do some more things, not just getting rid of the silver. This car's stopping very far back. Oh, and then just put us out in front of people anyway. So yeah, I want to do a few more things, like not just getting rid of the silver parts on the bike and making them black. I do want to get rid of rust that I've been finding on the bike. Yeah, I'm going to paint things and change the bike up and stuff. I'm actually going to make another video, I think, of listing off the things that I am going to do to this bike to make it more my own and better in the long run. So if you're interested in that, leave a like on this video. Let me know. But anyway guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please leave a like I said before. Even if you just enjoyed the video and you don't want to see the parts video or what I'm going to do to this bike, please leave a like anyway, because it means a lot. Yeah, subscribe if you're new. Comment, let me know what you want to see next. If you have a topic you want me to talk about in a vlog coming up, let me know that as well. That's all very helpful. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope you did enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.